everybody, so today I'm back with another video and I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with glitter, soap, and salt. So let's get started. You don't need any slime, you don't need any glue or anything like that. Just soap, glitter, and water. Soap, glitter, slime. You don't need the glitter, it's optional. So you have to make sure your soap is already like a jelly-like consistency. Because if it's not, then it won't work that well. But it's okay if it doesn't work. I don't think this one's gonna work. See, like every time I mix it, it already starts gathering. So yeah, let's see if it works, because that'll be awesome if it does work.
Tender flowers of the Portulaca plant prove irresistible to wet ones.
Then you're just gonna pour in the glitter. I'm using the glitter from yesterday. I'm using my body glitter, but it's my blue body glitter. This is not really body glitter. This is like nail glitter. Then you're just going to mix it up before you put the salt in. If you don't want to use it if you don't want to mix it before the salt goes in, that's okay. It's better if you mix it when the salt goes in. Pour a little bit more in and then add the salt. That's how I do it. That's how some people do it, but and if you guys like it, make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you. And make sure to stay crafty.